A very good morning, students. Let us continue our chapter number 12, the solar system. In the previous class, we have discussed about the planets. Now in today's class, we will study about satellite, star and our planet, that is Earth. So what is a solar system? A solar system, it consists of 8 planets, sun, satellites, star and all other heavenly bodies. So let us first study about satellite. What is a satellite? The object that revolves around the planet, it is called as a satellite. Now you all know moon. Moon, it is a natural satellite of Earth. So many artificial satellites are also there. Artificial satellite, they are made by man, and natural satellite, they are made by nature. They are naturally occurring. So moon, it is a natural satellite of the Earth and also of the other planets. Mercury and Venus, these are 2 planets which do not have any natural satellite. So students, you can take out page number 106. We will be reading from satellites. The object that revolve around the planet, it is called as satellite. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. It has no light of its own. Then how do the moon it shine? From the light from the sun. It shines because it reflects the light of the sun. It does not have any atmosphere. Moon do not have any atmosphere. What does it mean? That the moon, it do not carry any gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide. The gases, they are not there on the moon. All planets have natural satellites or moon that revolve around them, except Mercury and Venus. Mercury and Venus, these are 2 planets which do not have natural satellite. Now next, let us read about stars. Star, you all know what is star? In the night when it is dark, we are able to see lots of stars in the sky. Now, is the star present during the daytime also? Yes, they are present in day also, but we are not able to see the stars at the daytime. Why? Because of the sun. In the day, because of the sunlight, the stars, they are not visible. Stars, they are also having the light of their own. Now the stars, you see the stars twinkling. Actually the stars, they are not twinkling. We see them as twinkling because lots of dust particles, they are present in the atmosphere. Because of that dust particles, the star, it appears twinkling. Now first of all, let us define star. What are stars? Stars are huge balls of gases which give out their own light and heat. What are stars? They are huge. Huge means very big. So stars, they are very big balls of gases. What is present inside the star? Gases. They are present. Heat and light. This is also there. Is sun is also the star? Yes. Sun, it is the largest and nearest star to our Earth. Now let us read. You can take out the page number 107. We see a number of stars in the night sky. We are not able to see stars in the daytime due to the bright light of the sun. Stars are huge balls of gases which give out their own heat and light. They appear tiny because they are very far away from the Earth. Stars we see as a small dot. Very tiny. Tiny means very, very, very small. Why the stars it appears small? Because they are very far away from us. So the stars, it appears very small. Stars appear to twinkle. A group of stars forming a pattern in the sky is called constellation. What is constellation? Group of stars, they form a particular pattern. That pattern, it is called as the constellation. Some of the constellations are Ursa Major, Ursa Minor and Orion. These are the name of some of the constellation. What are constellation? Constellations, they are the group of stars which form a particular shape in the sky. Now let us read about our planet, that is the Earth. We all live on the Earth. Isn't the Earth a beautiful planet? So let us read. The Earth is a beautiful planet, but it did not always look like this. Scientists believe that the Earth was born as a huge ball of hot and burning gas. Initially means in the starting, the Earth was not as it looks now. It was a huge means a very large ball containing only the hot gases were present on the surface of the Earth. It kept on spinning. Spinning means it kept on rotating. As it spun, its outer surface became cool and hard. When the Earth it spin, what happened? Its outer surface it becomes colder and harder. The outer surface of the Earth is hard, but the interior is hot and molten. What is interior? Interior means which is present inside. So Earth from the outside it is cold and from inside it is molten and hot. The Earth is made of 3 layers. 3 layers are present. The outermost in the Earth, we can say the 3 layers they are present. The outermost layer it is called as the crust. Then the middle layer it is called, first is the outermost layer, that is called the crust, and the innermost layer it is called as the core, and in between the crust and core a middle layer is there. That middle layer it is called as the mantle. The crust it is the outermost layer of the Earth. The core it is the innermost layer of the Earth, and mantle it is the middle layer of the Earth. The core has extremely high temperature and is under great pressure. This core, because it is present at the inner side, so the great pressure and temperature is also very high. At some places, hot boiling liquid and gases comes out of the Earth's surface through the opening called volcanoes. Volcanoes. You have heard about volcanoes in your social studies. What are volcanoes? The hot air or the hot gas, it comes out from the volcanoes. Hot liquid also comes out from the volcanoes. Can you tell me any example of the volcanoes that is naturally occurring? It is Barren Island of Andaman and Nicobar Island. The Barren, there is an island known as the Barren. In that naturally occurring volcano is there. What is volcano? It is a hot air or the burning liquid. It comes out from the volcanoes. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.